is the CPC, this one. That's called CPC. It is called circuit protective conductor. Circuit protective conductor. In other words, it protects the circuit against leakage current. When there's a leakage current, instead of it to circulate in the system, this CPC helps you carry it away. Then don't forget, we are talking about the form is asking us, do we have an earthing arrangement here? That's what I'm showing. You understand? So CPC. When I'm done, I'm going to waste time with only one. When I'm done, you take the form and fill the rest. Now we soon count. Okay, so after the CPC, we come to the earth conductor. The earth conductor. The earth cable. So how does this work? You see the CPC is the one that goes to the final circuit. So when something happens, maybe let's say short circuit or leakage or whatever happens at the final circuit. What's the final circuit? This is the circuit. In say a spare radar wiring system. You know we have ring wiring and radar wiring, right? Yes. You know that one. So what is a radar wiring? It's the process of putting vacuum and watching together. Okay, so yeah. So you see this one. When a fault happens here, this cable, one of them is here. So from there, it transfers the current to this bar. So the earth bar, this one, inside the distribution board. Then from the earth bar, it carries it to no, it doesn't go to, it goes to the rod. Then from the rod before the ground. This is the most important part of the earthing rod. The tip, that small place, the small this thing. And when you are doing earthing, you can do everything. Where's the earthing? Yanko? Say from here. Please show me the earthing. So that cable you are seeing, the cable you are seeing came here. So the process starts from the socket to the earth bar, from the earth bar to the earth conductor, from the earth conductor to the rod, from the rod to the ground. So I was trying to say something. You can do all the best earthing system in the world. But what are you doing? Have you heard them? One year, why you constrain it? What is it? So you have to make sure that you do a strong. What is it?